哦，按的按的。
万事如意，财源滚滚。
Hi Kate, Jade and everyone. Today I'm excited to be doing an empty house tour. Yeah, our new house. This is one Canberra, an EC in Yishun, just 5 years old, as the condo just reached MOP a few months ago. This is a 4-bedroom duplex, which means there are 2 levels, and therefore we have a staircase. As you can see, we will have a look at the roof terrace later. Let's address the burning question first. How much is this 4-bedder duplex condo? Some facts first. The condo is 2,260 square feet. That is 2 typical 5-room HDB size-wise. 99-year leasehold, and is in Yishun, the most famous, or you can say infamous, in Singapore. That's it. We paid 1.5 million or $660 per square feet for this unit. It is a lot of money. I'm $1 million in debt. But it is relatively very cheap compared to other penthouses in Singapore. Having addressed the burning question, let's move on and look at the house. Let's start with the balcony. The most obvious cons with the house is that it is facing a road. This is Yishun Avenue 7, and there are quite a lot of cars and they travel quite fast here. Opposite is Ahmad Ibrahim Secondary School, the best school in Yishun 20 years ago. And I happen to be a student there. I suppose I can listen to the school song and Majula Singapura every morning from now on. Let's continue the house tour, and we start with the first bedroom, which will be for my 2 kids. Yes, Kate and Jade, you girls will sleep here. We will remove this cabinet and put a bunk bed here, as requested by Kate, who wants to sleep on the upper deck of the bunk bed. This room is actually really quite small, and what we are going to do is to expand it by knocking off this wall. What's behind this wall is a storage area under the staircase. Let's take a look. It's kind of those creepy staircase with creepy corners. But this is a place I think children will love to crawl around and hide. But I wouldn't want to come in here. Beside the kids' room is the first ensuite, which will be for my parents. It comes with the largest balcony among the 4 bedrooms. So what we are going to do is we will build zip track to cover up the area, and then my parents can better make use of this space with chairs or maybe some cabinets. This is their toilet, which is in quite good condition. Probably we will not do much and save on the reno. I'm $1 million in debt. Same for the common toilet. Let's take a quick look at the kitchen, which we are not going to renovate much either. But for the service yard, we will tear down this toilet since there's too many to wash. Oh, and one surprise that the owner left behind is this fridge. But then we already planned to buy a bigger fridge, and the plan includes demolishing this wall so that we can place the fridge here, a wider one, and it will be facing the dining area, which is here. We will spend a bit to do up a bar counter here, and then the TV console there. Hopefully all will be within the budget. I'm $1 million in debt. Now let's explore the level 2. There's the roof terrace, but let's leave the coolest bit last. So instead, let's take a look at the master bedroom first. The master bedroom is a decent size. We will remove this cabinet and do up a simple bed frame with side tables and a small dresser here. And there's also a walk-in wardrobe, which is here. Leading down the walk-in wardrobe is our toilet. The toilet has a bathtub. The current HDB also has a bathtub, which I have to emphasize is really useful when you have kids because they can play in it for quite a long time. There's one thing that is cool about our master bedroom is that we have a open courtyard. So here is a small open sky area that we can do exercise or for the kids to masak-masak, or we can play mahjong here. The fourth and last bedroom will be used as my office or study area for the kids in the future. Nothing surprising here except that it has a nice view to the roof terrace. Let's go out and take a close look at the roof terrace. Firstly, there are some koi that the previous owner has left to my care. I'm so surprised. In fact, I'm shocked. But I'm also grateful for the opportunity to learn about fishes and also about plants. Plants? Yup. The owner has left behind these 4 tall trees and a nice plant too. I will continue to take care of them to my best effort. Oh, there's another fish tank hidden here. My rule is to never have pets because in Kate and Jade, we already have 2 biggest and troublesome pets ever. But in life, we deal with the unexpected. These kois and trees have chosen to cross paths with me. Therefore, I will try to adapt my life with them. Kate and Jade, hope you girls would love the fish, the tree, and the house too. Bye bye. This is your room, No? Your favorite 吗？你睡那边，琪琪睡这边，一人一个 corner。不要。这是你的学校吗？对，爸爸以前的学校。几位啦？高丽一位。我唔知啊，我驚啊。我頂上嚟。呀。講你邊有我唔知啊。好了。够了，走出去，你要不要进那个 corner？ 走了，出来了，来，出来。泡泡，快点泡泡。哎呦，怕到跌倒了。小狗爬楼梯。哎，你爸爸下来呀？你3、1、2、3还是笑？哎呦，多情啊！你这样爬楼梯的你。哎呦，你要看姐姐是怎么爬楼梯的。姐姐爬完。